Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
This top which you are seeing. This is what sections. Okay. Under each section. These are the subsections. Okay. What it is. These are the subsections. Okay. And each subsection will be having what it is called. What it is called. E subsection. Portland. Okay. Each subsection will be divided into portlets and each portlet will be having some standard fields and the custom fields. Got it? Yes. Each subsection will be having some importance. So every portlet will be having some set of behaviors. Every portlet. This portlet will be having some set of behavior. Okay. What is the behavior? So when you see some portlets, they have edit icon also. They have a history icon also. Right. Okay, so as a user, if I click on the history, I can able to view the record of the history record. Time to time. What are the changes which has been done? Correct. So now you can see somebody has created the record, then on June 2nd, then later on, somebody again do some changes. A new record will be created here. Okay. So, whenever you can able to create multiple records and that records can be maintained. That is called as that type of a portlet is called as an effective data portlet. What it is called? Effective data portlet. Okay. So effective. Data portlet defines the history of multiple records. Okay, so that portlet can able to maintain the history. Got it. So now you can see, for the first line information, the history can be maintained. Okay. The history can be maintained here for the first line information. Okay. Now, if I go to any other portlet, let me take biographic. So when you go and see biographic do we have any history portlet there? Do we have any history portlet? No, only edit is there. Yeah, because edit purpose. So this type of a portlet is known as a non-effective data portlet. What it is called? Non-effective. Non-effective. So the portlet which cannot able to maintain the history, that type of a portlet is known as a non-effective. Non-effective data portlet. Okay. So what is a non-effective portlet? Suppose, if I am going here and I am making some changes. So what will happen? Is it able to maintain the history? No. No. Because there is no option of maintaining the history. It will just overwrite it. It will just overwrite it. So you cannot have the old record. The record will be overwritten. Okay. So in this case, this type of a portlet is known as a non-effective data portlet. OK. Effective data portlet. Where you cannot, we can maintain the history. If I take some other example, let us take contact information. In contact information also used. You see, there is no record. History record option is not there. OK. So this type of a portlet is again what it is called. Where the history is not there. Non-effective data. What type of a non-effective data? If the history is there, then it is a effective data. Effective data portlet. Got it. So that these two we need to understand after that, when we go into the employee data. When you go and see employee data. What employee data says, specifies here it manages to access all the non-effective data portlet. OK. So employee data covers what? Employee data category covers only the non-effective data portlet. So non-effective data portlet means you can able to only maintain the edit option. Overwrite. You cannot maintain the, it will overwrite it. So all the fields which are there in the non-effective data portlet that is coming. Under which category? Employee data. Non-effective data. OK. Got it. So whenever you want to make any changes to a non-effective data fields, we need to go to the employee data. OK. And whenever you want to there. They have only two options you can able to view, you can able to have a edit option. OK. You can have a view, you can have a edit option. OK. Effective rated means you can maintain the history right. You can maintain the history. So it manages to access the effective rated fields and the actions. OK. What it says. It maintained the effective data. So when you go here into the system, when you go into pass by information, this is effective data right. So when you go into job information, this is also effective data right. When you click on here you can see the history right. What are? History is being created. Yes. OK. So so now affected it at all these fields. Employee class, event is, and all these things can be. Permissions can be maintained from where you can maintain it, from the effective data. OK. OK. This is all other categories which I'm saying. OK. So when it goes, it manages all access to the effective data fields and other actions. OK. We can grant. We can view history, edit, insert, correct and delete permission. OK. So we can grant a new current history. So you can see here when I go back into the system. You can see, here we can have a edit option, delete option, insert new record. OK, all these options are coming. OK. So why these options are coming? Because we are given this access to in the effective data. Got it. So we can grant the view history, edit, insert, correct and delete permissions. So when you give this permission, those buttons will be applicable there. OK. Those buttons will be showing that. OK. Got it. Any questions? No, I'm okay. Now you have an employee. Employee view